the bread aisle empty, literally. It's empty.
Yeah, food empty.
What's empty? And we are shopping for some stuff. They said that what should look empty though.
I better find your loving.
Guys, welcome, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So today is Tuesday, 7:26. Few hours them said before Beryl. No. How much Beryl is tomorrow? Alright. Some hours before Beryl. Right? We're heading to work. Let's go pack up my class and stuff work because the school is a hurricane wagon? Yeah, it's a hurricane spot where if people lose their place of shelter, they have somewhere to go and shelter. So have to go do that. As well as not only that, it's the end of the school year, so it's class will have to go pack up anyway and take it. So yeah. Today the weather is looking not bad. Let me show you. So the sky looking good, sunshine out the door, everything. You know the time look like a bit bleaky but not so much. But you know, you can tell that something is coming. Like in terms of whether rain. This one? Our audience says it look like every day weather. Not breeze now, but sky kind of dark there so. Oh, you just say this a show not now. And then you fix up. Alright, so that's the vibe. I am hoping to finish early enough because I don't have water. I don't have any water at home. I have a lot of stuff because we went to the supermarket just a weekend ago. So all I need is water. I need water, batteries, a source of light. And I have a little fan, but I'm hoping to. I've never a little bingy fan. Can't hook up, but we're hoping just for it to find one other fan which can charge. Not a big, but something where it's very cheap and can work. Yeah, I'm ready. That's all we want. We don't want anything. As I said, we went to the supermarket weekend. We're just gone, so we're actually good. But when I woke up this morning, I was like, babe, listen, Beryl check category 5, and I'm waking up and says the Beryl check category 5. So that's the latest on the hurricane. Well, he said still category 5 today.
No, it's category 5, yeah.
I never said category 5, therefore we just say it's a category 5. So that's the update that everybody is giving. It's at category 5. So people, anything you want to do, let's start out in themselves, getting themselves safe. If you don't know which part of the down is safe, but hope that you're going to find somewhere that is safe. If not, make sure you place batten down properly on the cars. Them they out in the open with anything else drop on them. If you have to kill a tree to save it, you just say go. You know you don't want at the end of this disaster you are left in debt. A lot of debt. So yeah. So that's the vibe for today at this point right now. So the sun, see the what me show. Alright, sea water calm. Whoa, there bush. I'm going to show you one next part. But see the sun hot man. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to show you when we reach around the corner. Can you see it from here, babe? Alright, look. Water calm. In a lay down flat, but it's more flat, closer to flat than anything else. See? Let me go around one next side, I'll show you guys. Guys, I don't know about Ochum, this is the river at Ochum, right, babe? At Port Mara, we always come over and flood out courts flood out. Oh,
Sankonia
and
like
flood the
that
whole
trip, so.
Port Maria. Hopefully they don't get that. Alright, so we turn the water. It's not flat, but weatherman talk to me about the water. How the water look? Water normal. So the weatherman said but it's not flat, but they say it can go on.
The water normal.
Alright, the weatherman said not do the water normal. So at 7:34,
At Tuesday, it's not really
Tuesday, time before burial. Alright, weatherman. So leave it up to me to not remember that I said I was going to show you guys clips of me taking down my charts. So I literally just took off this layer from here. I totally forgot. So I'm going to do this side. I have here, I have up there, I have round here, the sides, the front here. So I'm going to do it here now.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
I'm thinking that I might not should look the top because no, I should look the top. But if there's a hurricane place, why I understand that person destroy these, but these definitely have to go because these birthday has passed. So the one, I'm not sure. No, these can reuse. So.
Don't take it personal. Personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like we was it more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I'm gonna cry over some milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another bath, give me another.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
Don't take it personal. Personally, I'm surprised you call me.
Guys, we're actually in Igate. And we are shopping for some stuff for this Igate St. Mary. I think this is about the second time in my life I found it. Anyways, we found this cool light. I'm going to show you how it works. So it's actually solar. You can charge it outside. You can plug it in. It gives you light, and it's also a power bank. So it's Type-C charging, long shot for strong light, bilateral lighting, emergency power bank. So how long is stay for? How long that stay for? How long that stay? How long is stay for? You don't have an idea?
No, but then me I go back to school, you make a charge.
Oh. So we got fan, we got rechargeable fans, and we got this light. Now show you the light when we go in the car. Put it up and show. So this is 2,680. One of these are 1,380. When we're gonna care, and babe saw this bulb that you plug it in and it charges. 680 for one. How are you? I said, dear.
Yeah, but
I hope we stay. I eat the same thing, man.
Yeah, man, I see it.
Alright, instead I go back and plug it in now. Alright, guys. Guys, don't be at the supermarket over shopping, okay? People them back all of the peas them. Oh my god, don't be at the supermarket over shopping. Oh, it's empty.
Yeah.
Don't be at the supermarket over shopping.
Oh, yeah. Tin food empty.
Watch out. Watch out. Empty. Watch out. Guys, check out the shelves. Shelves empty. Are you guys buying just in case the supermarket is going to flood out and lock down? Tell me, when I buy just in case the supermarket is going to flood out and lock down? The shelves them empty. Nothing on them on the shelves them. Like, as I say, only I buy what? Finish. Me not buying nothing when unnecessary. No way. I put all them something in pack up from me yard. I do bread. I bet the bread shelf of everything. I bet you. Watch out. Oh my god, let me show you this. There is no bread here. The bread aisle empty. Literally. Look at no chicken na the day. Oh my god. Watch it. Watch it. No. Guys, let me tape up the windows them. This place I want to they sandbag the front, but
There's a kitchen KFC.
you might tape up juicy beef here and a cardboard I help too.
I'm not sure, but somebody have the
Practice, not true. The cardboard I got soap be.
one KFC smells good, man. I force me by the yasso and smell.
Hungry.
You never the yasso and smell. I make you window then
All the
wine up.
time me there so smell
Now
it.
what's that window then wine up?
All the time. Casey, you want to know? Guys, see the sandbag there? Well, no, see it gone. This side of the ocean look empty though. Alright guys, so I got home and I wanted to show you guys the stuff that I got at iGate in St. Mary. So, not my usual place to shop, but we went there and babe saw somebody with a fan, a battery fan, and he was interested to go and find out where the person got it and what if they had any size that he liked. So we did got 2 fans because we know lights are going. We're positive to lights are going. Especially at our location, lights are going. And honestly, can't eat. Allergic to the heat, especially at the end. So he insisted on getting 2 fans. So we got 2 rechargeable fans. They're not too big, they're not too small. They will work. They'll do the job done. Get the job done. So these are 1,380 for one, something to or charger. And it comes like this. So it's like this, and as I said, it's rechargeable. And I think you can pull out it. Oh, see here. And does this expand? Yeah, I'm gonna tell her. Alright, so this is it. So babe, so one I go up on film side, one I go up on my side. Just want to breathe it up while sleep. Make it up asleep. Turn on right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't work. Can't work. So as I said, we got 2 of this. 1. The last 2. They say last 2 is okay. My old man do want to take one here. It's rechargeable, so you have a charger. This is the charger. And we got this light. So we saw a lady experiment with this light. This one is $2,680. So this one is a multifunctional outdoor portable lamp. The thing is that we don't really have any lamps. They were talking about candle. I'm like, no. So we saw a lady working with this, and we should have, and not had, a power bank. We just don't know where they. And this light, we can't find a power bank. So this light is a multifunctional outdoor portable lamp. So it said Type C charging, long shot by strong light, bilateral lighting, energy, emergency power bank. So this is a light that has quite a amount of different stuff. So first thing it is solar. You can charge it in the sun. So see here, put it door and it's charged. Solar, yeah. It has light here, so it has like a flashlight, different function of the flashlight, and then you have the solar part of the light. So cool, right? And then guess what? You can charge your phone. You can charge your phone or your tablet or anything where you have to charge. You have a USB thing, and just in case the fan did power. See there? We just need to make sure it's a discharge. We can plug in the fan them to charge. The only thing we're worried about is if how lasting is it, how much energy it can restore to keep things if we want to charge them. We got some energy saving bulbs. We got energy saving bulbs. So this man was showing us that it works. Like, they will work. It's supposed to light. Oh, see there? Oh, I have to see that. So it's supposed to come on when light gone, something like that. Or I say work. I don't be charging. I need a funny, so I don't know. So these were $600 or something each. Or $580 each. We bought two. So in total I was about 6,000 then. 5,000.
No, 6.
1,000, 2,000. Yeah. 6,000. We never want no food and as me telling already. We only got water, and bread. Look here, the people them clear out the supermarket, them at Ochiers. The two supermarket where we go, no bread item, none of them something. Cinnamon roll, donut, anything with bread, sugar, but all of them. I don't miss a chin near to where we live. We'll get bread. And tin items them as you guys saw in the supermarket, them gone. Things them gone. But guys, all what I've been saying, may I say today, people just don't overspend. You don't want to overspend. For me, I think a lot of people are overspending, and at the end of whatever it is, the hurricane that's about to hit, we feel like things are £12. But hopefully them buy non-perishable items. Hopefully that's what they did. Because you see the way for bread and so, then can't last long. So if your family don't beat it, like me and my husband alone, we couldn't go buy 3 bread for what? The supermarket they must open my back. So yeah. But guys, that's the update. Currently right now we're just watching news. What the weatherman say? Weatherman talks to me. It's still there, category 5 in the water. And now the high is heading to the high is all over Jamaica now. So that's the update me have to give you. The higher the storm, Beryl, they're all over Jamaica. So I'm gonna expect everything from every corner.
Unless something dramatically happens overnight.
Oh, likely is that with the man.
Very unlikely.
Very unlikely people. The storm. It have got come. So I'm open to things and just make it pass. That's true. Alright guys, so yeah, we're gonna charge up the stuff them. Make sure them properly charged. Make sure they have enough energy for last, because we want to be comfortable. We're going to charge our tablets. We're going to here's some tips of what me use, like charge the tablets them, download movies on Netflix. Normally would I use a big JBL speaker, so even when it's a tablet or so, it sounds loud from the JBL, but somehow the JBL now come on. Babe said because we put it down for too long. Like if you guys know big JBL, when I talk the fake one, the original big JBL. Normally when we don't watch movie on the tablet if light gone or so,
you think like a movie theater, you know. So me tell babes that I go experiment on it, see if no I go on feet. Hopefully it come on. Charge up the tablets them, download back Netflix on them, download movies in advance, and catch up water because you don't know water will and the place I go water have to go because yeah the water them might get dirty and so forth. So we did what we thought was necessary to make ourselves comfortable. So make sure you guys do what you guys think is necessary. So probably the overspending, I don't think it's necessary. So I'm gonna do nothing. That's what I said. You overspend if them think it's necessary. Yeah. So if you don't think buying all the bread off of the shelf is necessary and buy all of the sardine, the mackerel, tuna, everything necessary for uno, do nothing. But I'll stop So keep safe. As babe said, wanna keep safe, guys. Take care of yourself. After this video, I don't know when me will talk to you again because I don't know like no internet. You don't know everything just shut down. So guys, take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. We'll just try to make yourself comfortable. Babes can warm domino, can warm games, board games. I always have a game. And we just go play a game if it comes to the test. I want to feel like watching a movie. I'll just stay and chill out. You know? I'll just pray that everything alright, the cars them alright, everything. Just pray for Uno son alright and everything. So guys, big up on yourself. This is just one of those slow paced vlogs. Just to make sure I say me updating up on what going on freestyle, and we'll just leave it down in the comment section. You know what you guys are doing, what you guys expect if and everything else good. So guys, take care of yourself. See you in the next vlog, whenever that is, after Beryl.
Alright, after Beryl done, I'll catch a shark.
Really say I'll go to sea, go fish after Beryl. We're gonna go and check out Grizz Lifestyle to see what's going on with it. Guys, later, take care of yourself. Don't forget to like, share. Grizz Lifestyle in here.
You want a kick?
Oh, Grizz Life TV. Grizz Life TV. Go check out Grizz Life TV. Don't make sure the man say I'll catch a shark after Beryl. Big up on yourself, guys. Bye.
You got